folks. This is my Ryobi gas 790R. I think it's written somewhere as the model. Oh, there we go, 790R. It's about, I don't know, I'm guessing 17, 18 years old. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I haven't used it in a very long time. I haven't used it in like 16 years. I think I only used it for one season. Anyway, I got it working, and then I realized that it started leaking gas and stuff. It's a mixture, and one of the lines was cracked, as you can see. It's kind of dark here though, but as you can see, this line came out and all the gas leaked. And I really didn't feel like fixing it. I'm sure I could just install some new gas lines, it'll work. But I said hell with it. So instead what I did was I went and I got an electric Ryobi. This is the 40 volt one. You can see it says 40 volts on it. Here's where the engine is. And this is the one where you can put on different attachments. The model number, I'll post it on here anywhere. And the beauty about this is the shaft for the string trimmer actually belongs to this one. We have the new one. So I just disconnected it over here and connected it over here, and it works. As you can see, I used the heck out of it. This is the 0.090 millimeter or whatever that size is string. That came with the gas one, but the electric one comes from 0.085. So I believe the orange one is thicker than the green one that the Ryobi comes with. Anyway, it worked tremendously with the older shaft string trimmer. So if you have a gas one and you want to go electric, maybe you could just buy the head unit that comes with the battery and charger at Home Depot, obviously, and and use the old shaft, or you can get one with the new shaft. It's up to you. I just decided to use the old one, and it works very well. Now I also have the Ego lawnmower. This is the self-propelled from Lowe's. It's about 600 bucks or whatever. So you may be wondering, hey, how come I didn't go with the Ego string trimmer, which they also have, which I hear is very good. It sells for $250 more than this one, but I didn't. Probably because it doesn't offer different attachments. Excuse me. Although they claim it does, but it doesn't. They don't have anything. And I wouldn't be able to use with my Ryobi, existing brush cutter and trimmer, and they also have a snow pusher, and Ryobi has a bunch of other attachments. Perhaps the Ego is a better battery, but I think Ryobi has come a long way with their lithium-ion. Perhaps not as powerful to drive a self-propelled lawnmower. That one is a 7.5 amp hours. And this is 2.4 amp hours, this 40 volt, although they have bigger capacity, 4 amp hours, 5 amp hours. I don't think I've seen anything better than 5. Not as, expensive either as the Ego battery, but this does the trick, and it's handy. It's not noisy. Okay, maybe it's a little noisy, but it doesn't bother me. And people have talked about vibration, or some review mentioned vibration, and I don't recall feeling any different kind of vibration. Although the Ego string trimmer has some kind of anti-vibration, this one does not. So anyway, I'm happy with it, and you should give it a try if you're looking for an electric string trimmer. And if you're having a tough time deciding between the Ego and the between the Ego and the Ryobi 40 volt, and if you hear negative reviews about the Ryobi, I haven't experienced it. I think it's pretty good. And keep in mind that they have they have multiple of string trimmers and edger. There's a string trimmer edger combo. This is not it. This is the one with different connects and whatnot. And even the lower end has different connects, except this shaft comes with dual strings, and it's compatible with, I think this is the one that's compatible with gas line attachments. The other one is not. So you have to do your research, get the model number, check it out at Home Depot or wherever else. So be careful before you buy, thinking it may allow other attachments or not. But extremely happy with this one. Highly recommend the Ryobi 40 volt. Just picked it up today after I realized that my gas one is useless. So anyway, I'll post a picture of the box here. You can see it on the backs. It does come with the shaft, the string trimmer. It comes with 2 sets of strings, which is very nice. So it comes with 2 sets of strings. It's green as opposed to this one, which is orange. Alright, so here's the box. 40-watt lithium X Connect or expanded 15-inch cordless gas-like power, and I agree with it. It is so, you know, compared to this gas one that I was using the other day, it is as powerful as that. You could, you know, many attachments. It comes with the 40-watt lithium-ion battery and charger. Adjustable 13-15-inch by removing the blade, and it does come with 2 lines. Here somewhere. Okay. Bonus additional replacement line included. I believe it comes with 2 of them. Or maybe one of them was connected. I don't know. But it charged pretty quickly. What else? It does come with a 5-year warranty. Although don't be fooled, it's a 5-year warranty on the unit and a 3-year warranty on the battery. Same thing as the Ego, 5-year warranty on the unit and 3-year warranty on the battery. I did not use theirs. I did not use their shaft. As I said, their shaft is still in the box, as you can see right here. The shaft and then the protection bracket, the plastic one, still in the box. So, yeah, worked well. The one that came out of here, $150 at Home Depot or cheaper if you can get it. Good luck to you. Thanks.